Welcome! Today I'm showing how to hide photos into a gallery in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. First of all, open your phone gallery and find your photos, maybe for example this one. Press and hold for select this, this and this. Then click Add to Album. And now need to choose your private album. And for saving into this library, need create Xiaomi Mi account and log into this account. So then private album, to view items made private, swipe down in albums, click OK. Added successfully, got it. And now go into albums. And for opening this photo, need press and hold into albums, not selected. Press and hold and drag to bottom. And when you see this icon, you can open your private folder. Need to enter your private security password, cancel. And here we got all our photos and back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.